As a lot of you know, a lot of my Dipsis hybrids, which are now Chrysalidocarpus hybrids, have triangle palm fathers. Triangle palm makes a very good father and a good pollen donor. However, they make horrible mother plants. So I've tried about probably 7 or 8 times to pollinate these, cross-pollinate these inflorescences on the triangle palms, and I don't get any hybrids out of them. So I believe that any hybrid that's out there that has triangle in it is 99% sure to have a triangle father and not be off of a triangle palm and not have a triangle mother. So I have 3 of these here, so I always hopefully have fresh sources of triangle pollen for my hybrids. And this one here just ended staminate anthesis, which means all the males have opened and fallen. And I actually had a big mosquito net bag over this whole flower rack here. And now we just have females left over. Like I said, I'd love to make some hybrids with this, but these just don't give me any hybrid seeds whatsoever. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut off this flower rack and just toss it and wait for the next one to open, which is back there. But in the meantime, this inflorescence here on this triangle palm, is next. So this one has male flowers that are just getting ready to open here, probably later this week. So I've moved the same bag from the other tree to this tree so I can collect these flowers as soon as they fall. They land in the bottom of the bag. I undo my stainless steel clips here and just collect that fresh pollen every morning, assuming it hasn't rained and spoiled the pollen. So this will be my next source of fresh pollen. So on the other side of my yard, I have this very nice teddy bear palm, Chrysalidocarpus leptocheilos, which actually had about 5 or 6 fronds snapped off by Hurricane Ian 6 months ago, but it's pushed 2 new leaves at the top and has another spear, so it's very happy. And it just so happens that this inflorescence here, which is covered in frost cloth, is in pistillate anthesis, so the females are opening this weekend and next week. Right behind that white bag, you can't really see it. It's protected from insects and wind, but this is a best case scenario for a hybridizer because I have fresh triangle palm pollen and I have receptive female flowers, a whole cluster of them here. And so this will be the mother or the seed parent of my next batch of tri-bear hybrids. Secondly, I have this very nice specimen of Chrysalidocarpus psammophila, formerly Dipsis psammophila. And you can see this stem right here has a flower rack coming out. And when the leaves pop off, they have this nice purple color with some white. And then as they age, they turn to green. But when I got this particular plant, it was almost black. So it has really nice color. So this is another one that I hybridize with triangle palm donor pollen to make a psammophila decaryi hybrid. So that's what I'm going to try and do with this flower rack here. And lastly, right now in spring, we have Chrysalidocarpus arenarum in flower. I have about 5 inflorescences here. This one is popped open over the next couple of days, so there's only female flowers there. So that one will receive triangle pollen as well from the triangle donor tree, and this will make some black triangle hybrids. I've gotten one of these to set so far, so I'm trying to make more, and I have these very nice large inflorescences opening this spring just because it's so hot. And I've been hitting these with a high phosphorus fertilizer to get them to flower better. And lastly, my golden triangle hybrids are Chrysalidocarpus lutescens crossed with decaryi. So here you see a very tall single-trunked golden cane palm in California. Out here in Florida, it's called an areca palm, which is a misnomer. And this one has made hybrids for me in the past. And right here we have the next inflorescence with female flowers opening probably next weekend, and that one will also get fresh donor pollen from my triangle palm at the beginning of the video. So this has been very difficult for me to make. Golden cane palms are prolific flowers. When the male flowers open, they totally engulf the female flowers, and it just looks like a just a large like animal tail, and it's very hard to totally eradicate that lutescens pollen to make hybrids with. So this one's very finicky. I've made one hybrid seedling in the last 20 or 30,000 females that I've pollinated. I've gotten one seedling. So just relentlessly trying to make more. These are highly requested, and just trying to make some more golden cane hybrids here.